is Yoruba Nation Grassroots Awareness in Laro. Yes, we are going now. We are going now. Yoruba Nation now. No going back. As you can see, people moving. People come out mightily to support the Yoruba Nation Grassroots Awareness. Yes, that's them going. We are moving now. Grassroots Awareness Yoruba Nation. Yeah, we are moving now. Now. Yes, it is. As you can see the crowd, the mighty crowd for Yoruba Nation Grassroots Awareness in Laro. Yes.